So here I'm just cleaning the toilet for this video. I'm using the Grove Collaborative concentrates, which are plastic free except for the sprayer nozzle on the glass bottle, and then the 7th generation toilet bowl cleaner, which is pretty safe on the EWG website, and you can find all like non-toxic and all that kind of stuff on ewg.org. I will tell you though that the 7th generation doesn't take out rust very well. I'm sure I could use something else, but the water is so bad here that it just obviously eats everything and makes everything rusty. So there's definitely a way to do a toilet. Like, you gotta start from the top, work your way down because it's so gross. And then I'm using paper towel right now because I really just don't want to deal with getting any type of sickness from anyone at all. I will add in that my sweatshirt says racist lives don't matter, if you're wondering why there's a hooded person on the back of my sweatshirt. I picked it up online somewhere because I saw it on a TikTok and I just love it. And if you're offended by a racist lives don't matter sweatshirt, this is not the place for you because racists don't belong anywhere. Here is where some people probably miss all the time. You have to clean underneath the toilet. Like, you have to clean all that. It gets nasty. Like, little hairs get on there. It definitely gets dusty. It's just super important you get that, and all around the toilet, on the floor, because a little bit of piddle might be on there. You never know. Just clean everything. Sanitize everything. It gets gross. Here's where you take your gloves off, wash them, wash your hands, then you can flush the toilet. So you're not putting those germs back on the toilet flusher. You can look at how shiny this is. I will put my Grove link in the description, so if anyone wants to pick that stuff up.